Um, so I wanted to talk about a project that I built like roughly a year ago. It was about a lander bot. So the goal was for me, I create a game in um Pygame, a Landabout game using Pygame, using some assets from different places. And I used that Landabout to try and train a model that can land that Landabout. I was using reinforcement learning, PPO specifically. And everything works fine. It runs fine. The training is good. It's not good. But here's the thing. I tried and my reward function isn't working really well. Um, and I don't know how to fix it. I've changed it a bit. The reward function is using some distance between the target's landing position and um the lander to help to it's a distance-based reward. It's basically a distance-based reward. And I haven't figured out a way to make it good. The training is unstable. It keeps having this catastrophic loss, at least from what I've read, and I don't know how to fix it. And I've been doing this alone, so I don't really have anyone to talk to. So I'm just putting it out there. Um, just fork the repo or something and try and change it. You could use AI or not. I don't really care. I just want to use this as a learning experience for myself. Um, but yeah, the link to the repo would be in the description. You can just play around with it. If there's any problem while running it, I can always answer it. You can raise up an issue. And yeah, I hope this goes out there and people actually see this to help out. And thank you for watching.